Welcome to this section on funnels. Funnels is an absolutely massive area that we need to cover. So the reason I built this course is to build layer upon layer foundational knowledge on every aspect of the system, so that when we're doing the high level, no pun intended, the strategic motions through building our SaaS organization, these fundamentals are already well known by yourself. So stick with me. Funnels, huge topic, could even have its own dedicated course. Now, we need to do things like card authorizations, right? This is related to e-commerce. We need to know how to work out the difference between a one-step purchase and a two-step purchase. We need to be able to track behaviors and events through Facebook pixels. We need to know how to add one-time products. We need to know how to add subscription products. We need to know how to connect a domain name. We need to know how to clone and share funnels between us, other agencies, other users. We need to know how to create coupons and promotions. We know how to set up payment plans. We need to know how to connect fave icons and images and use them through the image library and the media library. And we need to know how to integrate into funnels, surveys, calendars, and forms. We need to know how to use a time delay. And of course, we want to know how to do split testing. So there's a lot of things to cover when it comes to funnels. So rather than build it its own dedicated course, this section that you're about to dive into is a condensed version, but it does cover off all the aspects I just mentioned. Let's get started with lesson 1. So in this lesson, we're going to talk about how to connect a domain to a funnel, how to add pixel codes and tracking elements to our funnel, how to add products to our funnel, and how to enable card authorizations on those products that we've added. Let's dive into the screen share. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go to our funnel builders. So we're going to go to the funnels section of the site. I was just building a demonstration funnel here, but you could create one from scratch if you wanted to. I just did a basic blank funnel, not using a template, with a single step. Notice that you've got steps, stats, sales, and settings. The first thing that you might want to do is you want to add a domain. So to be able to see it live, you do need to add those domains. Otherwise, everything is sort of like in development and a preview. To do that, you go to settings and you click which domain you want to add to the funnel. If you've already created redirections for existing domains, you'll see them here. You can see I have a number of them already. Now, you would have already done the configuration at the DNS level. Once the DNS configuration is set correctly, you just go in, choose the domain or the subdomain that you want this funnel to belong to. Once you're happy with it, click. Now, there's also the ability to add tracking codes. Why would we do this? Well, think about Google Analytics, Google advertising through Google Ads, Facebook advertising and tracking through Facebook pixels, and more. So to add your Facebook pixels, you would paste that code directly into the head tracking code here, and this is funnel wide. The other thing that you might want to do is add products. So if we're selling products through our funnel, we want to go back to steps and we want to click on products. Now this is where we can add products. So let's add a SaaS product. I have a number of different products called cheetah, antelope, and hare. If I click on that product, it's going to ask me which price to put in here for that product. If I click on the additional options, you can see now that I have a couple of different options. Do I want to allow multiple quantities of this product to be purchased? Is there a ceiling or a maximum? Do I want to bump this product? And do I want to authorize any amounts on this thing? So essentially, if you're running things like a free trial, you can run an authorization against a credit card to ensure that when their trial expires, they will have already pre-authorized the amount on the card details supplied, so that when you move from free to paid subscriptions, the card payment method that they've supplied should already be valid and authorized for the amount you want to charge. That's it for this lesson. We'll see you in the next one.